output which is contribute to accomplishment of the mission. Mission is important. Objectives of the your industry per unit resources consumed, that is input, that is output upon input is nothing but the productivity. So here you can see the formula for this productivity: product quantity, output, and resource quantity is input. This is a generalized formula. You can calculate the productivity, and if you want more video, watch video measure the productivity on YouTube, Udam Academy. Hence here major factors affecting the productivity. Two major factors are there. One is the internal controllable factor and another is the external controllable factor. These two major factors having again these sub factors are there to study in this slide. First is the product factor, that is product factor is concerned with this. What is the actual product factor? Includes your product design. That may be simple design or suitable design, standardized in design, or in terms of productivity means extent to which productivity means the output requirements by the product factor includes output requirements. Hence here the next factor which will the plant and equipment. Already we have studied the product factor. Under this plant and equipment, these play very prominent role in enhancing productivity. How the plant layout, locations, and all the equipments are there, machinery are there. The increased availability of the plant through proper maintenance and reduction of idle time increases the productivity also. The idle time is very important here. We reduce this idle time, then what will happen? The productivity will be increased. Okay. So next is the technology. Under this technology, the innovative and latest technology improves the productivity to greater extent. We'll see in this case study of case 3, the 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 different case studies. The different factors we'll see. Okay. So friends, be with me last end of this lecture. Next is the technology related. I would like to give you the automation and information technology. This is very important nowadays, helps achievement, improvement in material handling and the SCM, that is the supply chain management using the various industries. Nowadays there is a boom in industry, in data handling and business analytics. Okay, you'll get the different jobs. On the basis of information technology help to achieve the improvement in the material handling, and the latest technology improves the productivity to a greater extent. Friends, here material handling and energy also, that will be helpful to effort to reduce the material and energy consumption. That will considerable improvement in a productivity. Yes, the factor, human factor, the skills, the different factors are there. The productivity basically depend upon the human competence and skill, training, experience, aptitude, or the high-end technology adopted by this, educated by the human resource, and the training to human resource. Motivation is very important. We'll show the one example on best case study on this one. And attitude of people, how the motivating the people will increase the productivity by one of these companies. See in next coming video. Hence, work methods, different work methods, work technology, the work methods improves the ways in which the work is done or improves the productivity. That also we are going to see in case study. Work study and industrial engineering techniques and training are the areas which improve the work methods. This is the way which the work is done, improve the productivity. So friends, this is the work method. Next, last one is the management style. What is the management style? This influence what the decision, policies, and the procedures defined by the management that must be transparent and clearly followed the whatever the policy by the organization. and the communication in organization, that is also important related to this internal controllable factors. Friend, next we'll see the external controllable factors are the four major factors are there. Structural adjustment includes both economic and social changes. Economic changes that influence the significantly are shift in the if employment who want to shift in agriculture to manufacturing industry, so he will be having the import the technology, that gain the technology skill or industrial competitiveness. He must be of the better knowledge than the other one. So that may be external factors. Or the next is the natural resources, manpower or this land and raw material, whatever the available. According to that may be external factor. It will contribute. The productivity improvement also depend on these factors. Next is the government policies, taxation, or whatever the factors related to this significant to productivity. The practices by agencies, and lastly the transportation and communication power. That is also important by the external controllable factors. See friends, to summarize this one, I will show you this internal controllable factors in short: the product design, plant location and layout, technology, machinery, okay, equipments, material handling, quality control, human factors, work methods, method study, management techniques, financial factors, human factors, and sociological factors. These are the internal controllable factors. Okay. So next is the external controllable factors. In summarize, the structural adjustment, national resources and their mobility, government policies, taxation, government law, restriction, concern business, infrastructure, external national competition, availability of capital, technical issue. Nowadays, Corona is a very major issue. That may be natural disaster for this productivity. That will also affect the various industry, getting the raw materials and the logistic in industry. So friends, these are the factors, internal factors, and these are the external factors we are studying. So pause your video for 5 minutes and what you study, just try to give the answer of this question, what you understood from the previous part of this lecture, and try to write. Pause for 5 minutes. Okay friend, we can now play for the next video part of this video. So in this part of this video, we'll study the case study 4, productivity improvement. How is productivity improvement achieved? So friends, GE, General Electrical Energy, improves productivity with lower material cost. How? Company background: General Electric Energy, a leading manufacturer of common alloy aluminum sheet from recycled metal with advanced technology. They have the advanced technology. It provides a variety of alloys and products for diverse industries, including metal distribution, transportation, building and construction. These are the various firms for under this G and E. So friends, we'll see the case study of productivity improvement under this G. They are manufacturing this common alloy aluminum sheet. See in this picture, you can visible this type of sheets they are manufacturing. So under this case study, we'll see what is the problem identification, problem statement. It was at this US company, the best company facilitated that the company began experiencing number of product returns. Why? Due to flat material, the products are coming back by the where they supply, the product is coming back. So that's why that is the problem identification. The aluminum manufacturer identified a need to increase the productivity of their tension level line and to reduce the number of flat returns from their customers. Customers are purchasing sheet, aluminum sheet, they have to reduce. This is your problem statement. Friends, the proposal to rectify the problem, how they rectified? They rectified, the G proposed to improve the process improvements and controls upgrade that should increases line speed, also improve the reliability, also increase ultimately profitability of industry, and ultimately reduce the scrap and improve the drive systems limited diagnostic. So friends, this is the proposal to rectify the problem. The original need to increase what? Productivity. Improve the productivity resulted in the wide-ranging process and improvement for the higher profitability. So friends, here what will happen? The results will see the extending the life cycle and reducing the maintenance. They have rectified this problem and attempt to rectify the problems. They are upgraded. What they are upgraded? The controls and improved the diagnostic. They upgraded analog control to digital control platform. Technological evaluation factor here considered. They reduce the electrical maintenance. They are reduced very much maintenance of electrical and improved operator setup and line diagnostics. So that what will happen? Increase in tension line level line productivity. The increased line speed by 50% and decrease scrap due to the flat material. This is a decrease and reduce material requirement by 129 feet per coil. See how the small quantity you are saying 129 feet per coil, but results you can read it carefully. What will the effect in the results? I'll show you. Increase the yield, tension line speed, level line speed was increased by 50% here, allowing the number of aluminum coils produced to rise from 17 to 20 coils per sheet, which was you watch on that picture. That total coil is increased from 70 to 20. This resulted in a total increase of 3,000 coils per year. The production is increased per year is 3,000 coils. And then what is the profit? The profit also increased $1.3 million, friends. दोस्तों देखिए यहाँ पे कितना सारा बेनिफिट इनको मिला है. After this, increasing productivity and ultimately increase the productivity. G is new strip transport technology included auto payoff, reel stop, digital elongation control yielding material, saving 120 feet per coil, and additional saving of again this C $2 lakh. Hence, lastly, the result for this case study 4 is increase the quality also, not the improvement in technology. Due to this, what will happen? The new process greatly improved the quality of the end product, which was the problem statement, resulting in the fewer customer complaints, returns the product, okay, and business that otherwise might have been lost due to off-flat material. The off-flat material are coming back to the customer. So this is the results. We improve the productivity by these are the factors for case study. Okay, so friends, pause your video and try to give the answer. what you understood from this previous lecture. Pause for 5 minutes and try to write on paper. Okay, now we can play the movie, this video for the next case study 5, to increase the productivity improvement. Under this case study, this design of thermal gunsight reticle in a US tank. Okay, see, this is the image of this reticle. It is mounted on this gun, and we can visible in the gunsight, thermal gunsight in the night also. This picture also you can clear. Here these are the parts. So what is the in this problem statement? The original design for a thermal gunsight reticle in US tank made by the Texas Instruments. Okay, there are large number of fasteners. See here in this diagram, number of fasteners are there 5 and is 4. Number of fasteners are there, number of parts are there. So you can visible to you, and this is the reference where from I taken this paper. This redesign the thermal gunsight. After redesigning, that is a design for manufacturing, they are improved the product. This is a product factor. Consider this, you can see they reduce the all the fasteners, okay, and they made it the design like this. So what will happen then? Results I will show you. The assembly time in hours, original it will require 2.15, and after redesign is required only 0.33. Improvement is 84.7%. Number of different parts 24 before, and after this reduced to 8. This improvement is 66.7%. The total number of parts also reduced. The number of operation also reduced. That is also important parameter. So 77.6, and metal fabrication time also reduced. See here 3.65. So 71.1%. The weight also reduced. The weight of this part also reduced, and that will the 45.48 to 0.26, 45.8%. So friends, at the end of this lecture, what are your 3 takeaways? Just write down on paper, and if you are not, please subscribe my channel, YouTube, Kadam Academy. Thank you.